Testing, testing. Hello. Chester's over here being a baby. Buddy, what are you doing? Hey, maybe later, okay? Alrighty, let's see what's going on. We have Silver Days in the house. Welcome, Silver Days. We got Floofin. Welcome, Floofin. Welcome, Floofin. Nothing's really happened. Nothing's really changed, but we are still here. And yeah, we'll be live for about an hour. So I think it's going to be one of those live streams where we just look at the crypto bubbles, start looking at random coins. Oh my god, ICP's back. Quick, everybody jump in. ICP to the moon. What happened here? Oh, it got listed on Upbit? Okay. More people to dump on. Yo, Dojalon Mars. Let's go, Dojalon. I have a chance, baby. I have a chance. How's OXT looking? OXT's up 11%. Hey, remember I was like I should buy it, and I didn't, and it went up. Where's Aloe at? Aloe's like, don't buy OXT. Oh, man. If I had bought OXT, I would have made 500 bucks. Yep. I would have made 500 bucks, man. Yo, let's go. We literally talked about this last night. Oh, man. It's okay. I can't believe OXT is coming back to life though, but anyways, you know what that gives me hope for? Gives me hope for Dojalon. Yeah. I said don't buy it. No, it wasn't you. It was someone else. I forgot his name though. It's okay. I mean, I'm gonna obviously do whatever I want, but it's just we called it, man. We said OXT, and it went back to 2 cents, and now it's selling off. Of course, it's selling off. 15 million volume though is absolutely insane. It's gonna be another pump and dump though. Vara still sucks. Silver Day says Avantis, AVNT. Yeah, Avantis is up 24% on the day. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. Yeah. But, I mean, the overall graph sucks, but it's still up. Yeah, it's still up 26%. Not bad. Yeah, I guess technically Aloe, this went up 28%, and then OXT went up. Wow, look at that wick. OXT went up 58%. Oh my god. We even called it. We said, yo. We said this is the time to buy OXT. It's okay. There's definitely better coins out there to buy, so I'm with you on that. Ooh, someone's making food and it smells really good. Dude, imagine if OXC does come back up to its all-time high. To 50x, man. Wow. Perpetual protocol nuked and it's still up 2x. Yeah. Yeah, but this thing's cooked. You'll probably come back down to 2 cents at some point and retest that before getting a reversal. Even here, you came back to 618 and then you got the next leg up. Oh, I mean, you have a chance actually. Yeah, 3 cents 30. As long as this holds 3 cents 30, then short term you're still bullish. Sorry, never mind. Short term you're not bullish, but that's the next bounce point for perpetual, in my opinion. World Mobile Token meow. World Mobile Token. Not bad. 16%. Yeah, what is this? 66 million market cap. Only 42% diluted. Not too far off from its all-time low. Not bad. I'm still holding Alt, Atom, and Near. Oh, dude, Near's an oldie. Near Protocol. Yeah, this is still on Coinbase. It is still on Coinbase. What a monster move here, though. I mean, even here was an 825% move, which makes me think, how's Billy doing from that pump? Oh, Billy got rejected at resistance. What about Michi? You guys remember? Don't get Michi'd, guys. Don't get Michi'd. Oh, wait. No, this is the fake one. It's this one. Yeah, don't get Michi'd. Oh my gosh, man. I just still can't believe it. It's crazy that we looked at this overnight and it was like 8x, 800%. And then it actually just somebody completely dumped. Other than that, I'm all in Bitcoin. Let's go. Bitcoin Maxi to the moon. Bitcoin Maxi with me, man. How much Bitcoin do I hold? 0.002. Don't make fun of me. What alts do I hold? Dogelon on Mars. No more OXT, even though I should have bought OXT, but it's fine. That's crazy volume though. $15 million of volume is insane. Yeah, looking at the 24 hours. It's not even on Coinbase. Wow. Coinbase volume is just 540,000. I would have thought otherwise. What about Bitcoin.com? Bitcoin.com. Oh, that's a good one. Crypto.com. Does it even have any? Yeah, it doesn't even have any volume on Crypto.com. The liquidity sucks on Crypto.com. Wow. The coin is barely on Crypto.com. Yeah, there is no liquidity. You can't even sell even if you wanted to. Look at that. You would push the price all the way down. Oh my gosh, yeah, there is literally no liquidity. Yeah, you would push the price all the way down to 14 cents. Or sorry, 1 cent 40. So if I bought 100,000, yeah, never mind. Yeah, if I had bought 100,000, it would have been at 16, and I would push the price all the way down to 16. So good thing I didn't buy it. Never mind. Silver Days, BTC to the moon. Floofin says Bitcoin is so obvious. I'm gobsmacked at how alts garner so much attention. Yeah, dude. It's because it's like it's the same thing over and over again. It's like, oh, I'm gonna I already missed out on Bitcoin. I already missed out on Bitcoin. No, I'm done, man. I'm done. I'm done with alts, man. Because in about 10 years from now, people are gonna still be saying the same thing when Bitcoin's at $1 million. They're gonna be like, oh my god, I missed out on Bitcoin. I missed out on Bitcoin. I may be wrong about Bitcoin. I don't think so. I think it's too big now. Damn, what happened to midnight? Damn, what happened at midnight? Yeah, Night got listed on Binance Spot and then it dipped. What the heck? How does that make sense? Yo, it got listed on Binance and it's dipping. What the heck? Did anybody mention that? Oh, I forgot about this. What happened to Brave? Like Brave browser. Oh my gosh, yeah, this thing also is all the way at the low. Wow, man, this thing is horrible. Yeah, dude, BAT might not be a bad play. Why is BAT doing so bad? I'm just gonna be a BAT maxi. Yeah, buy 100,000 BAT coins. It goes back to $1. There's my 100 grand. Let's go. How oversold is this? Yeah, dude, this thing is so oversold. Check it on the weekly. Yeah, on the weekly too. Look at this. Every single time we came down here, we got a nice pump. Look at that. Now this chart isn't too bad. Let's read the chats. In my opinion, we are early in Bitcoin. When Bitcoin drops from 3 million to 1 million, they will say BTC is dead. That's true. Plume. Eric Moreno, welcome to the live stream. Let's take a look at Plume for you. Ouch. This does not look good, man. Yeah, this does not look good. But yeah, I mean, nothing. You probably came in here asked about Plume. As long as it's under, because we have a chart here. As long as it's below 1 cent 90, it's bearish. So you could even come back up to that level and retest resistance and get smacked back down. Now, you have resistance overhead at 1 cent 90 to 3 cents, and you're still validating this downtrend. So this does need a breakout. Not financial advice, just my opinion. So if you're holding it, then you're hoping for... Damn. Sorry. Doing paperwork. I'll have to shred this. Scanner's on the ground, so... Got a whole bunch of papers on the ground. There we go. Alrighty. Where were we at? Yeah, so... Bearish under this box. Really nothing else to look at, so... The chart is a bat, bro. Is it? I guess it is with the two eyes right there. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice. Oh my gosh, you're right. It is a bat. Look at that. This is literally a bat. Oh my gosh, bro, it's actually a bat. What the heck? Wow, you're absolutely right, man. I didn't even see that. Bat token is a bat. Wow. I think we're going to get 1 week this year to sell, but only if BTC can retest 81,000. You are absolutely correct, Aloe. If BTC, I didn't even think it has to retest 100,000, man. I think that if BTC breaks back over 81,000, then you're looking at a huge relief. You might even come up to the 618786, right? Yeah, you might even go back up to 94 to 107 and get stuck there, make a higher high, trap everybody before you capitulate. So I agree with you. Hopefully at that point we'll get some sort of recovery rally, but I 100% agree with you. Deep seems to be pretty doing well. I wish I bought more. We can take a look at that for you. Plus one of the future nuking and one of the futures is nuking BT's holding with about 70K for now until tomorrow. Yo, Triple T. Whoa, man. We've been constantly, I've been constantly bringing you up because I'm like, bro, where is Triple T? And I'm like, dude, you were moving. So I hope you moved. Your move went well and everything's well for you. Let's read your super chat. Yo, Triple T's back in the chat for 10 beans. That is a lot of money, man. Triple T keeping the lights on. Let's go. I'm back. I lost $8,000, but I guess But guess what? I hit 16 grand and got a couple more G's coming. I'm number 2 wallet. I'm a whale and I got 35 mil, no cap. I put $233 on it at 5 G's. Now the coin just came out. What's good, people? Yo, let me know. So do you have what was the other coin? Pippin. Do you still have Pippin or Baby Pippin or no? What coins like what are you rotating into? Cuz I remember you had Pippin, man. And welcome back, man. I hope everything's going well for you, man. I really do. Let's go, man. Welcome back. Triple T for another 2 beans. The coin is Lap Claw by Stanford Prince. Look at it. It's at 11 grand now, off from 2. Oh my gosh, you're at 11 G's from $233. Bro, that's crazy. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Is it this? Bro, no way. You put $200 and you... What the hell, man? Why is it that he literally came in here and he's called every single coin right, man? That's good for you, bro. Some people just have it like that. Unfortunately, I don't. I didn't have it like that, so... I'm assuming it is... Yeah, I'm assuming it's this one. So a coin just came out. Yeah, the coin just came out, so... Yeah, man, this thing did 100x, bro. This thing did $100,000, man. What's good, people? I missed everyone. Triple T, sell that. Sell that. Sell it right now. Triple T says yes. Bro, it keeps going up, man. Look. It's freaking pumping, man. Be careful. But Triple T says I'm 11 grand now. I got in yesterday. Bro, you got in yesterday. Oh my god. You got in here. Even if you got in here, you're still up 50x, which $200 that you put in times 50x is around $10,000 to $11,000. Bro. Yo, you should... Hey, I'm not telling... No financial advice, but, I mean, what are you planning to do with this? The market cap is 341,000. Okay, lock liquidity to market cap ratio, but what are you planning on doing? I could crash the whole coin. Bro, dude, hey, if you crash the coin, let me know because I want to watch this. Like, I want to see what happens if you sell. It's at 12 grand now. Oh my gosh, man. Nah, man, he loses so much. Sell that triple T, buy 10K worth of BTC, and then gamble the other 6, then rinse and repeat, and never sell the Bitcoin. Oh my god, it keeps going up. Oh my god, bro, look, it's in the 40s now. I'm number 2. Look at my wallet. Let me see. Holders. Oh my god, he has 30. Oh, he's at 12 grand. He's at 12.8K. Bro. Oops, I didn't mean to copy it. Oh, you're at 13K. Oh my gosh. He's at 13.5, 13.6. Yo, Triple T, you gotta, what are you planning on doing? Are you gonna, oh man, this is exciting, man. I'm happy for you. See, usually it's like this exciting when people's coins go up in the live stream. So I'm so happy you're here, because if you're not here, we're just basically looking at coins that are going nowhere. So this is super exciting, dude. No, it's probably refresh. It's probably like going very fast, man. So it's not refreshing. It's not refreshing as fast. So, bro, you're gonna lose it if you don't sell. I need this. I lost a lot. LOL. Bro, I'm happy for you, man. I really am happy for you. Careful, BTC is dropping. Oh, and just like that, we're red again. Well, would you look at that? Yo, Triple T, your wallet is this one. Don't get kikied, or don't get Michi'd. It's Michi'd. Yo, Triple T's making money, man. Let's go. I guess we could look at the 5-minute chart. Not even. Let's look at the 1-minute chart. Yo, this thing can move so fast, though. Spoke too soon about futures, nuking, and BTC stable. Yeah, you jinxed it. You're like, oh my god. And I said tomorrow, so... Yo, Triple T has 3.35 sorry, he has 4% of the total supply, man. That's crazy. If this thing gets listed on anything, man, this thing could make you life-changing money, dude. Overnight. How crazy is that? Sell 1 minute. Take out 10 and leave 1 grand inside. Wait, are you doing that or no? Triple T, are you holding this or are you selling it? I don't know what to do. Yeah, that's the thing. Nobody can really tell you to sell it or buy, or like sell or buy. But like, bro, if you lost 8 grand and then if you have 12K, which you do clearly because we can see your wallet, you know, you're up $4,000 technically, which is a lot of money. Oh my god! Oh, yo, hey, Triple T, you are literally at 19K now. Oh my gosh, guys, this thing is going nuclear, dude. It just had a 146,000% candle. Sorry, 146% candle. It's just starting running, so I should wait, I think. Bro, that might have been it. That might have been it. That wick might have been it, man. Only Triple T can be a whale on some obscure shitcoin and turn 200. Bro, that's very flippant. Bro, this is the 4th time he's freaking... Dude, this is the 4th time he's coming here. And every single time this guy comes in here with USOR, USCR, any of that, bro, he like how are you doing this, Triple T? This is so not fair. It's great for you, but damn, we're getting slaughtered here. And this guy turned $200 to 19,000 man. Good for you, bro. Can you look at Dash? No, fool. We're looking at this complete gamble play for Triple T. No, there's lock liquidity. There's definitely liquidity. He would just crash the market though. That's the thing. How do people find these coins? You don't even want to know, man. It's a casino. I would strongly advise against that, but I mean, you could do whatever you want. But bro, in 24 hours, he just he got a 12x, man. That's insane. Yeah, let me look at Dash before this guy ends up leaving. So, taking a look at Dash on the live stream. I was just joking. I'll take a look at it for you. So you do have support underneath at $30. If $30 breaks, you will come back down, make a lower low, validating this downtrend. You still have resistance overhead at $40 to $48. Okay, so once that breaks, then you'll look for a breakout to 60, and then invalidate this downtrend to start making the next higher high. Now let's go back to this more exciting coin instead of Dash. Yo, this is very nerve-wracking. I could watch this for the entire live stream. Yeah, we got like 40 minutes left on the live stream, man. Yo, is Triple T gonna get another God Candle? Is Triple T gonna get another God Candle? I hope so, man. Can't believe he has 35.5 million coins, man. Good for you. Lapclaw. What is Lapclaw anyway, man? Like, what is this coin? Let's look at the website. Actually, yeah, never mind. I shouldn't look at the website. Should I look at the website? Triple T's the new John Doe? Dude, that's so... Hey, it might be. Yo, Triple T's shaking, man. Be right back. 5 minutes. 15 minutes, drive my kids to school. Yeah, just make them walk, man. What do you mean drive them? Oh my god, Triple T, it's going back up, bro. Yo, Fast Willie for $5. Thank you so much for the 5 beans, man. See, this is exactly what I'm talking about. When coins are going nuclear and you get 1,700% in the last 24 hours, man, it really does. It really does change the dynamic of the chart of the chat, because like you got super chats, we got to see these super fast moving charts and everything like that. So thank you so much for the super chat. Can you look at Deep? Thanks for what you're doing, bro. Yeah, you got it. Thank you so much for the $5, man. Okay, we'll take a look at Deep, but dude, this Triple T, I'll come back to you, man. Deep. Let's take a look at Deep. I think it's Deep Protocol, right? Yeah, Deep Book Protocol. Another gamble play because it's all the way at its low and it's getting some sort of reversal right now. So let's see. Yeah, so for Deep Protocol, just keep in mind on the macro time frame, you still are bearish and have resistance at 4 cents to 6 cents. So just keep in mind that you can still come back up to this area and get rejected. Keep in mind, from the current price, you're looking at 32 to 91% move, which is the moves that Triple T is getting in 1 minute. But anyway, so you still have resistance overhead. A break through there should take you to the 618 retracement at 11 cents 90. So again, you have a lot of resistance overhead, and you have a lot of area to break before you invalidate this downtrend. Okay. So once you break out, then we can start looking at targets to the upside. Previous all-time high at 34 cents, and then all-time high price discovery up to $1.91. That's bullish case scenario. But if it's just going to be a retracement, you're probably going to come back up to 4 to 6 cents, and at best 11 cents, which will still validate this downtrend forming. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Thank you so much for the $5. I really appreciate that. I'm glad for Triple T. Triple T, tell us your next coin, please. You got to stay on late tonight, meow. Yeah, I think I will if Triple T stays. If Triple T stays here, and if this coin is still going up, yeah, man. I think we're at, yeah, the super chats are coming in. I think we're at we're at $17 now, dude. That's Do you know how crazy it is that the last like 5 live streams we got a couple in here and there, which is totally fine, but it's just like so awesome that like Triple T's up like $20,000 right now from $200 and comes in here and sends me a $10 super chat, man. That's like the best feeling ever. It's like, man, I hope it keeps going up for you. You know what I mean? Like, I hope you make it, man. We'll keep monitoring this. But that's what happens in a bull market. That's what happens like when other coins, when real coins, not Triple T coins, end up going up, right? Triple T is still holding 35 million coins, man. He's still a whale. It's at $21,000, Triple T. I'm really glad for Triple T. Triple T, oh, you gotta say on. Thanks, man. Triple T is a legend. Bro, Triple T, you are absolutely a legend. That is actually unbelievable that you turned $200 into $200, man. Or sorry, what am I talking about? You turned $200 into $20,000, man. But what we don't want to happen is Amici, okay? So we were looking at this last night on the live stream, okay? So I said you don't want to get Michi'd, and here's why. I don't mean to FUD you out, man, but just as fast as it goes up, you could actually lose your $200 too. So look at this chart. Again, I don't want to scare you, and I'm not like, you obviously know what you're doing. You're probably one of the very few people or only ones in here that's actually making money, but just be careful. I would hate for it to just draw a huge red candle to zero. So I want you to make your money, man. He almost did 100x and he's still not setting, bro. Absolute legend. Yeah, dude, absolute legend, man. It's insane. I would have sold out already. Yeah, I guess a lot of us would have. A lot of us would have sold out, man. Triple T for 99 cents, so that's $11, man. Thank you. Thank you for the 11 beans, dude. Hey, this is a bull flag forming. Boom, it's gonna explode. Watch. You're gonna get another giant green candle spawning in right now. Let's go. Come on. Keep going, keep going. Oh. Oh no, are they gonna sell it to... Nope, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Triple T's still in. 35 million coins. $12,000. Alright, he's at 11k. Oh, he's back up to 12k. Yo, what an insane run. Absolutely, what an insane run, man. Triple T, $200. $200 to $11,000, man. Absolutely insane. I'm at 25k. Wait, how are you at 25k? It says 13. Oh, it probably hasn't updated on your end. Because we're watching the target. We're watching this live. So it probably didn't upgrade the price for this move down. Yeah, which is like 50%. So are we going to get this reversal? I don't know. It is really nail biting though. I'm on Soul Scan. I'm at 21k ho. How? How the hell? Am I looking at the wrong? No, I'm not looking at the wrong one. Then what the hell is this like delayed or something? Huh. I wonder if this is delayed then. No, these are the same chart. I guess this is a lot faster, right? Yeah, this one's a lot faster. Damn, look at all this volume coming in, man. $2 million worth of volume. Net inflow, you are literally... Yeah, your net inflow is crazy. Look at your net inflows, man. 9,000, 9,000, 1,000, 1,000. Damn. Bro, Triple T put $233 in and he's the second largest holder of that coin. Yeah, bro, that's crazy that he got in so early. How insane is that, man? I guess, look, no mint, yes. Blacklist, unknown. Rug pull, no. Fake coin, no. It's not bad. Dude, I like this chart. It tells you the net inflow and outflow. Yeah, this kind of tells you the direction. Bots trading. Well, Triple T's not a bot, and he's at $20,000. So bots are. So basically, you're saying that bots are pushing his portfolio up. Damn, bro. Can bots push up my Dogelon Mars? Hey, what's up, buddy? Oh, look at my cat. What the heck? I didn't even see my cat here. What's up? Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what's up? Oh, sweet baby. What a good cat. I didn't even notice my cat. She's like a little cloud sitting in the background. Yeah, we'll keep this up for Triple T, and we'll see how high it goes for Triple T. I'm rooting for you, man. Let's go. Yeah, welcome to the live stream, Shadow Frost. Welcome. Welcome to the 37-minute mark of the live stream. I got in early, 4 hours of lunch. Yo, what's for dinner tonight? This is a great example of scale and inertia. No, this is a great example of how Triple T is a legend. It's such a small market cap that it can move up so quickly. Yep. It's only 396,000. It was just higher too. It got to 600,000 and now it's back down to 397,000. Triple T says it's going down. I had baked chicken and salad. That sounds really good. I don't know what we're having for dinner. I have to figure out what we're having for dinner. Maybe some fettuccine pasta with chicken. Hey, come on. Come on. Here. There you go, buddy. I think he just wanted to sit here, but he just wanted me to pick him up. Hey. All right, let's see. I had KFC. Bro, I love KFC. I used to love KFC. Back in the day, I don't know. You're probably, yeah, you have a house. You're definitely old. I'm not saying you're like super old or like dust, but Do you remember when KFC used to have the KFC Twisters? It was the wrap, like the big wraps where they put two pieces of chicken with like the ranch, like whatever the KFC sauce it was. It was the white sauce. Do you remember that? And then it's been long gone. It's like the McDonald's Big and Tasty's gone. But do you remember that? It was so good, man. It was so good. Hey, what's... Oh my god. Hi, buddy. It's okay. A Whataburger Wednesday? I don't think we have a Whataburger here. Wait, let me see. Do we? Whataburger. Yeah, no, we don't. Nope. I don't even have a Whataburger here. Meow, can you look back when ADA did 100x and see what the market cap was back then? Yes, I can. It was baby market cap. So back here when it was at 3 cents, the market cap was it was at the lowest market cap that it was $673 million. Damn, that's so high still. Can't believe Cardano got that high. But yeah, so the market cap was, when we started running up, it was $2 billion. And then it did and then it went all the way up to 100x from 700 million. It did more than 100x, I guess. Yeah, it did, unless they release coins into the circulation. That would be inflationary, but which I think they did do. But yeah, the lowest market cap was 673 million. And the price was 2.5 cents. Triple T says, "Oh yeah, my other coin is BioLLM. I'm going to put $400. I'm at 1,300 now. I was at $3,000. It's okay, bro. Your lap claw is gonna go to the moon, man. Your lap claw is making you money." We still have the Twister here in Canada, but I think they just used the mayo in the Twister here. It wasn't mayo. It was definitely like a ranch. It wasn't like as thick, and it wasn't a thick sauce like mayo. It was more like a McDonald's ranch, if that makes sense. I don't know what, like herbal ranch or whatever. I don't really know, but I can't believe they still have it there, man. Yeah, they don't have it here anymore, and they also don't have a Big and Tasty. But I think they use. Oh no, I should buy $200 more. So the coin name Triple T, you said it's BioLLM. Let's see. I'll BioLLM. Oh damn. Hey. This is before I look at it, is this the right coin? Alo's in here. He's in here. So ADA went from 600 million to it went to 90 billion market cap. It went from 673 million to 91 billion. It topped out at 91 billion. But I also think it's because they released coins, okay? And the reason why is because, look, the last price it hit over here in 2018 was, it peaked at $1, which is very simple math, okay? So it peaked at $1, and the market cap was 26 billion. Did they release coins? And then here, the price was $2.83, and the market cap was 90 billion. So... okay, so $1, so that's 180%. So 180% of, yeah, they did. Because if they didn't release any coins, let's just even say 200%, the market cap would have been 60 billion. But instead the market cap was 90 billion, which means that they minted a whole bunch of coins. You can kind of see it here. You can see this chart extending out on the price, and then you can see the market cap get released here, actually perfectly here. See that? Anyway, so it's because they released a whole bunch of coins, but and it also topped out at 90 billion. So that's crazy, man. That's bearish. I'm not a big fan of that at all. But I guess it's full. I mean, I guess it's almost fully circulated. I mean, 80% in circulation isn't that bad. There's only, I mean, 20% is a fifth of the coins. I don't know. I would buy Cardano if it goes back down below 4 cents. But if that happens, the crypto market's probably dead. Let's look at LabClaw, see what Triple T's at. Triple T, bruh, I don't trade those microscopic caps. I don't either, Aloe. I don't blame you. But apparently you could turn $200 into $25,000, man. Okay, so there's really no TA on this because this is like another one, another coin that's very, very, very small market cap. So there's really no TA, but we'll keep an eye on it right now. I guess technically the next like you are holding this uptrend, so that's pretty good. You're actually in this upward channel. What you don't want to see is an extension of making lower highs and then just eventually dying. You want to see this uptrend maintain, and then eventually, get your $1,300 back up to $3,000, and then make the next higher high, which at that point is 1 cent, which as of today is going to be around over at 20x. So another lap claw for you, but that's going to put the market cap still like around $10 million. So it is still going to be a relatively small market cap. OXT about to do 100x meow. Oh my god, I know. I literally, we talked about this last night. I was like, bro, I should buy OXT. And all of a sudden, the volume jumps by. Hey. You can't eat that. My cat chews up bags and then tries to eat the bags. Where was I? Yeah, dude, you remember? I don't know if you were in here, but I was literally like, hey, I should have bought back my OXT. I mean, it's still not too late, man. I mean, you're only looking at 14% from its all-time low. It's not over, but I sold 100,000 OXT at 6 cents for $6,000, and then it capitulated, and I'm like, bro, I should buy back my 100,000 that I sold. But I still look at OXT because I'm still like, how is this going down? Like, I don't know how this thing is still going down. What a good coin. And maybe they'll actually come out with StoreKit and it could eventually go up, but it is what it is, man. It's not completely out of the picture. I should probably buy back my, my 100,000 at this point, but I'd be paying $200 over it, what it was yesterday, but it is what it is. Been a while, but hope you're doing well. Yeah, I hope you're doing good too, man. I hope you're doing well. Scooped up some more Aventis earlier. Let's freaking go. What's Aventis doing? Oh, I mean, it's still holding critical support at 60 cents, right? Oops. AVT. Oops. There we go. Yeah, it's still holding this critical area of support, but if it does start breaking below 60, I would say you're in for a deeper correction. But Aventis is such a small market cap. I don't like the fact that the price is going below where it was previously listed at. But again, it has so much potential. There's that other guy who always comes in here, God's Rare Creation. He has a lot of Aventis, very small market cap, a lot of upside potential. And that's exactly what I tell him every single time. Like, yo, the second this gets listed on more and more exchanges, the more exposure it gets, the more volume it brings in, the more Yu-Gi-Oh cards you can buy here, and all that stuff. So, but yeah, that's. I hope this thing goes up, man. I really do. Your next targets to the upside would be around $1.19 to $1.80. Also, since I have Gemini, I've been looking at Cube. Dude, this thing is what a gamble play for Cube, man. $1 million market cap on Gemini. It's literally not listed on any other exchange. It's just on Gemini. So what a crazy opportunity to buy Cube. It could just keep going down though. That's the problem. All right, and then what happened to Samo? Yeah, Samo is still 1.7 million market cap. Looks dead, but anyways, it is what it is. I wish Coinbase would pick up Elon. Bro, if Coinbase picked up Elon, I would be rich. I have 100 billion. So what is that? $3,000? How much is it? It went up. Yeah, that's right. $3,800. Yeah, it was 27 and then now it's 38. So I will be deciding whether I want to hold it or sell once we break this area of resistance. And if it never goes up to this area, then whatever, it is what it is. I don't care. I'll hold it to zero. But if it does, at least I get to sell at $4,300 to $5,700 and get some money back. This is money that's just been like locked in the market for a very long time. Oh my God, it's been so long. Actually here, yeah. Damn. Only I can churn 10K into 70 into $2,900. What a swing, man. Do you realize my heart is like literally solid now. I'm invincible. I'm invincible. I'm gonna pull a triple T, man. I'm gonna pull a triple T. I already read that. I wish, yeah, dude, I wish so too, because if that's the case, but hey, Fast Willie, the reason why I really do think this is gonna make it is because, bro, look at this. Like, you're really telling me that Elon's not gonna succeed with crypto.com being the number one wallet holding like 23% of the supply at $9 million. Even more if you combine the two, it's over $10 million, okay? Gemini holding 30 trillion coins. Binance Peg token, number 10 wallet, holding 14 trillion. This thing is very well distributed across all the chains. Also on top of that, man, the cherry on top, and I don't mean to have everybody FOMO into Dojo on Mars right now, I'm just saying, bro, it has 18% locked liquidity to market cap ratio. You have 5 million on Ethereum. You have a wrapped Ethereum pairing, USDT pairing 1.2 million. This is locked liquidity, okay? This is literally liquidity that's burned, dead, gone forever. Huge. It's huge. I mean, it's if you don't understand that, then I don't even know. I can't even explain it to you. Like, if you're one of those people, it's like, oh, explain it to me. I'll be like, you know what? Don't buy it then, because like obviously you need empirical data. You need tangible proof, irrefutable proof. I'm super bullish on it, so I think it's gonna go up, but we'll see what happens. Anyways, let's see. Pump the likes and subscribe. Yo, I've been losing subscribers again. Have I been losing subscribers? Let me see. Give me 1 second. Let's see. Yeah, we have been losing subscribers. Bro, we've been stuck at 89.51 for, yeah, I mean, since March 7th. Yeah, so for the past 4 days. I know that might not sound like a lot, but it's a lot in YouTube land. 4 days, I'm at the same subscribers. Like, I guess before, even here, 11, 12, 13, I wasn't gaining any subscribers. And then we had a nice pump, and then I started gaining more. So it is what it is. Hopefully we can get to 10,000. The goal at the end of this year, because I already knew it was so bearish. So, like, I I set my bar realistic instead of bullish. I'm looking to get to 12,000 subscribers this year, so by the looks of it, I think we'll get it. I think we'll get there because obviously the market's not going to go down forever. And if Allo is right and we do get to 120, back up to 100,000, my views are going to skyrocket. Super chats are going to come in. Triple T is going to be a millionaire. And yeah, so yeah. Was good DCA can go anytime. That's true. So it dropped. So where are you at now? Because the wallet here shows 6K. But I mean, if you have it on Solana scan, then your number might be right. Did you end up selling or taking profits? It doesn't look like you did, but I don't know. You could have. I might be looking at the wrong wallet. So, what are you at now, Triple T? I mean, first of all, you still turned $200 into $6,000, $7,000. So, it's still a lot of money. Just FYI, but yeah. Thanks, Meow. Very cool. Wait, what did I say? What did I say, Allo? We have 19 votes in. We got a good turnout. We had a 20 concurrent, 19 concurrent viewer peak. That's not bad. We got 19 votes in. Are you holding altcoin? 68% of the chat says yes, including myself. I still am, despite how bearish I am, because I might as well hold to zero. We got 32% of the chat says no. Good for you guys. I hope you guys are holding BTC at least, but if you ain't got no Doge on Mars, get you some. Get you some. Get you some. Get you some. I guess I should download Gemini and see if I still... He knocked me out in number 3. Oh, you're number 3 now? Are we going to go back up? Is it going to go back up? Is it going to be a giant cup and handle? That's the best case scenario for you, Triple T. And then let me actually download Gemini because I'm curious if what's going on with what's going on with my Doge. I should probably have it. But what's the point? I'm not selling it, so it doesn't really matter, does it? No. Just might as well hold to zero. Nah, this thing's gonna pump, man. This thing's gonna have a pump of a lifetime, bro. Dogelon to Mars. I wonder if Vision's ever going to get back into Elon. Probably not, man. He's probably done with Elon. He's like, screw Elon. Meow, can you... Silver Day says, Meow, can you do silver price chart? Absolutely, I can. Give me 1 second. Let me log into my Gemini, because I think... Like, is it even working? Hold on. Oh, man. Hold on. Yo, what? Why is this app going so slow? Oh, it's at 39 on... It's on 39 on Gemini. Interesting. Dude, I have 311 buys on Dogelon. Do you know how insane that is? 311 buys on Gemini. Holy. But also I don't market buy, so I actually I use the spread to buy. So it does like fill your... I guess that's what it's doing, because if I put in a buy for like 10 billion, it does it like at order at a time. It might take like 10 orders to actually fill that. Oh yeah, Silver Days. Let me take a look at silver. Oh, Silver Days wants silver. Yeah, so Silver Days, keep in mind that silver, you hit macro support here at $69 to $85. You are coming back and retesting $85 as resistance. Keep in mind, this is theoretically where you can come up, make a lower high, and get stuck. You can see last time you came up, price could not stay over this area, and you came all the way back down. So this area absolutely needs to break $85 for any sort of continuation to 134, and then I think $300 for a parabolic move for price discovery. If it doesn't, you're probably going to get sent back down to $70 at some point. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Aloe says, I'm going to hit a 10x and then jeet and rotate into Dogelon. Wait, I didn't say that. I never said that. I said I'm gonna take my Dogelon and OXT profits and put it into Bitcoin during this bear market, but I never made money on it, so it's unfortunate. Like I never really I should have just put all my money initially in BTC because Meow, turn on the light on the wall. Oh, Meow, turn on the Meow analysis lamp on the wall. I guess, yeah, you're right. We got enough super chats where I can afford the electricity now. Let's go. I'm just joking, but yeah. Let's see if Triple T is gonna make it. Triple T to the moon. Oh my gosh. Wait, what kind of retracement did it have? Did it hit this? All right, my guess is it came down to the 786. Sorry, 618. 618. It had a 618 retracement, and this is where Triple T is going to make his money back. Oh, it had a 0.5 retracement. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, so it never came down to 301. So keep in mind this would be the next A bounce point. Also, this. Okay. So you could easily do this, or you can easily do this. Triple T says, what's up with Claw? What do you mean with Claw? Okay, we're done looking at that one. What do you mean Claw? What are you talking about? What's up with Claw? Is that a coin? Oh, what's this? Like cat's claw? Claw? Oh, you're talking about lab claw. Never mind. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, so this is a bounce point, and then the next bounce point is that. You're still sitting at over 6K. So we'll see if this happens. We've been live for an hour and 3 minutes, so we'll stay live a little bit longer just to see. Sorry, I thought it was a new coin. I forgot this was Lapclaw. So we'll stay a little bit longer to see what happens, but we will be calling it relatively soon. But I just don't want to leave you hanging when this thing has a massive reversal and you make a whole bunch of money, man. I hope so. I really do. Wow, BTC goes down, man. Hey, Aloe jinxed it, man. Futures is crashing, but BTC isn't. Ugh. It's okay. I'll be getting into my OXT. Oh my gosh. Is it going back up? No, it's not going back up. Man, yeah. I brought it back. Yo, this guy just added a whole bunch of more coins. Hey, this #1 wallet just added a whole bunch of coins. He just added like 20 million coins, man. Right or no? Triple T, is that right? This guy just added. dropped my phone. I'm not a perma whale. Or sorry, I'm not a perma bull. It's at 69.8. Yeah, this guy just added more coins, so he's probably going to push this back up. My guess. That's my guess. Dude, I'm starving. Yo, Triple T, like... Man, I made $4.20 on TikTok, but I don't know how to take it out. I need to start making money on TikTok too. That would be sick. Also, you have to add coins to push it up. Yes, that is correct. You buy coins. So when you're buying, when you buy, the coin goes up because so there's more money in the coin. And that means that someone has coins. Someone's holding the coins, right? So it's like an exchange. And then all of a sudden it becomes more valuable because there's more money in it, okay? So then when other people buy coins, it's like, oh, they're pumping your bags. You got in so early that everybody that ended up buying ended up pushing your money up. So when you sell, you're taking their money. That's how it works, Triple T. So when like your $200 is $6,000 because however many people, 1,600 people bought this coin and pooled in their money into this coin. So when you sell, that's where the money's coming from. So you sell and then you take the money out of the pot, and then it all of a sudden now that other people put their money in, it's no longer there. So their dollar amount, the pot becomes smaller, and that's what gets divided into how much a coin costs, if that makes sense. So that's why I went up, yes, because a lot of people ended up buying and yeah, you even called it, the holders like ended up going higher. So when you got in, the holders were probably, I don't even know, man. You're literally the number 2 wallet, so I don't even know. But the holders, like there were probably no holders. So you just got in so early that you were the second wallet or whatever, and everyone started buying this coin. So you just got really, you got a lottery ticket. Yo, it's crazy. I filled up my tank, and I have a really old car that's actually breaking down. I have to like change stuff with it. Horrible, but whatever. And dude, it was like it's a Toyota Corolla, and it was like $55 to fill up my tank. It's not bad because again, it's like I fill up every 2 weeks, so it's not crazy going from what I used to pay crazy. So that's really good, but it's just crazy that in one sitting of filling up my tank, it was $55. I'm like, damn, like usually it takes like $45 to fill up a tank, and it was just like $10 more. Like, damn, that's wild. The holders was at 25. Bro, you are crazy. Oh my god, like only Triple T could put $200 in a coin that has 25 holders and then have the coin run. Wow, man. You should have came in here the other night and told us about it. Because we've still been live streaming every single day. But you've been MIA, so I hope you're doing good though, man. It seems like you are doing good. Hey, what's up, buddy? What's going on? You still got food over there? No, you don't? Alright, hold on. I gotta finish my live stream and then we can give you some food, okay? I can give you some food. Let's see, add propane. Nice. Let's see, what are we missing here? Bitcoin's going down. What's new? OXT's having a nice little bounce. That's new. And then Dogelon. I just want to buy Dogelon Mars. I just want to buy Dogelon Mars. It's not bad. Maybe we got a huge candle. Maybe we got a god candle out of here, man. That would be sick. Unless it goes all the way back down. That would not be sick. Add propane. You can add propane tank. My Camry has it, bro. I'm not gonna blow up my freaking car, bro. What? Hey, what's up? Yeah, I'm not gonna add propane, bro. Like, what? You want me to blow up my car? Like, but Jornabek, you come over here and add propane to my car, and then you can drive it. I should have sold that 25K, but I'm still up. It's okay. I mean, you'll learn, like, eventually, like, you'll get it, because nobody, see, that's the thing. Nobody can tell you to sell it, but these are all things that, like, that's, now you know. So now the next time that this happens, and knowing you, you're probably going to get it. The next time this happens, you can be like, hey, I'm going to sell. But when what's going to happen again? You're going to go through all those emotions again, right? You're going to be like, oh, like, I want it to go higher. What if it does go higher? But at that point, it's like you have to make that. That's why it's like, I can't tell you, hey, sell it, or hey, buy it, because then you'll blame me, right? Or you'll blame somebody else. You have to do it. It has to come from within, man. But regardless, man, you're still up, right? So it doesn't even matter. Like, even if you sell right now, bro, you're still making $6,800. Like, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. That is a lot of money. 6,000 just off $200. That's crazy. Oh, I just got a notification. Did Vision just post the nighttime video? Let's see. See, I'm a good subscriber. Oh yeah, he did.
Good evening to the fellow viewers of the chat, the fellow viewers of the blockchain. Do people even still talk about crypto, or are we all just in it for the money? I remember when crypto first started, well, not when it first started, but back when I found crypto, people...
Oh my gosh. That I like, that's, where is he, man? Where is this guy? Why is he not live streaming, bro? Oh, I should have commented. No, I'm not gonna comment. Honestly, he's not even know I like the video. I can drive 7 hours and only pay $15. That's insane, man. Wow. Off $233. Yeah, man. You're still up, bro. So like, at this point, it doesn't even matter. Like, this is a nasty retracement, which it is, because it peaked and you're down 80%. But I mean, how low can it actually go? Again, that's the reason why I showed you this chart, right? But if it was going to rug pull, then it would have already done this, right? It would have already kind of, done this nasty sell-off. So, so I don't know if, I don't know if that's going to happen or not, but, we might get a big move up, and you might have another opportunity. Or you say, hey, you know what? I'm going to be fine with my, however much you have, $6,000 or whatever, and I'm gonna make $5,800. So it took 7 grand. Oh my God, he sold. You sold it. Oh, that was Triple T selling right here. Oh my God, Triple T just sold. Yeah, wow, man, you just sold it. Okay. Triple T is officially out, man. Took out $7,000, bro. Congratulations on $7,000. Can you look at Solana? Yeah, sure. I can look at Solana. If Bitcoin's going down, you're going down anyway. But Solana, we said you have resistance overhead at 91 to 111. You've gotten stuck at this area of resistance a couple times now, and you're consolidating between critical support at $72 and then resistance at 91 to 11. So the next big move is going to the next target is going to determine the big move, where you break 91 to 111 and you break out to 150, or you break below 74 and you get sent to the shadow realm. The macro area of support for Solana, in my opinion, and where you're going to bottom out, depending on whether you're trading or not, is going to be between $17 and $31. Okay? Not financial advice, just my opinion. And let's go back to lab. Okay, so this lab. So Triple T, congratulations. You made $7,000. Like, you made $7,000 in 24 hours, bro. Like, I know you said you could make $25,000, but don't even think about that and just focus on the money you have. Okay? I mean, what I'm saying is just words, and you really have to like apply that to yourself. But I'm rooting for you, obviously. I want all of us to make it because that's what I want people to say for me. So, yeah. And my cat, so I can make it for my cat. So you want a beautiful home? Yeah, you do. You want a big house to run around in, right? And you want heating pads all over the place. Look at this. What a sweet cat. Look at him. Look at this. Okay, I'll stop bothering him. I put $1,000 back in. Okay, just in case it goes back up. Let's see, Triple T, $1,000 back up to the all-time high is $4,000. If it goes back up to its all-time high, you should probably take it. Or even at this point, man, if it has a 618 retracement. So Triple T, I'll actually stay on the live stream a little bit longer for you because you are getting this consolidation area. Again, we're doing this on the hourly, so just keep in mind, very Mickey Mouse, but it's still valid technically. You are getting stuck here. Break over here should send you back up to 42. So Triple T, you have $1,000, so just play it smart because you can still come back up to this area and make it 1,400, which I know for you it's like probably not enough, given that you just saw 25 grand. So sell at 3/0's48 or risk it for the biscuit and sell it back up to its all-time high. But keep in mind, if you don't sell it here, you can still come back up to this area of resistance, whether it's touch point where like back here or getting stuck somewhere in between and still get sent back down to the shadow realm, okay? So not financial advice, just my opinion. Some play, congratulations, bro. Very Floofin, I know you're like, oh, we told you to sell at 25,000, but I mean, I get it. It could have went higher, and he sold for $7,000, so that's still good. Like, I know he could have made more, but it doesn't even matter, and he has $1,000 in, so he could still make $4 grand. Easy. Now, if you were a smart Triple T, you would buy 6K worth of BTC and gamble with $1,000. And you keep doing it over and over again, yeah. I don't think he's gonna do that though. I think he's gonna turn that 6 grand and put it in like 7 other coins, and all of them for some reason are gonna go up 1,000%, bro. Exactly, Meow. Greed destroys you in this game. I think greed destroys you in this game, meaning the game of life, man. You only got one life, bro. Despite what some people believe. Oh no, but you know, reincarnation. I used to be a butterfly. Like, okay, and what are you now? Like, are you gonna hold on to the fact that evolution might have given your consciousness a body instead of a butterfly? Oh, okay, so you want to be a butterfly. Yes, you only got one life, and greed will destroy it. So definitely take profits when you're up. And you did. You know, $233 to $7,000 in 24 hours. Good job. Like, honestly, bro, good for you, man. Smart hoof, to me, it's Z to the downside. It's like Z to the downside. I'm good. he's going to lose everything. I don't think so. He'll make it back. I mean, this guy's been right about 5 different coins, man. Nope, that money going straight into straight into his business. Yeah, that's right. Are you still doing the food truck or no? And I'll put some money back into silver and gold and copper and oil. Yeah, good. If you buy oil, it crashed today, so it's definitely a good opportunity to buy oil. Let's go triple T. CMOS, the money's going there. I've heard about CMOS. I've definitely heard about CMOS and like the health benefits. And if you think it's stupid, definitely do your research on it, because that's just an involuntary reaction to maybe something that is extremely beneficial to your body. So your body's a muscle. Remember that. CMOS. CMOS. You know what I think of when I hear CMOS? I think of sea monsters. Health benefits. CMOS is a nutrient-dense red algae rich in iodine, iron, calcium, and magnesium, often used to support thyroid function. Very important. Immune health and digestion. Immune health, digestion, very important. Digestion for me and immune health. While frequently labeled a superfood for weight management, skin health, and muscle recovery, high-quality human evidence is limited, with most claims relying on studies of seaweed generally. So, key benefits are thyroid support. As a natural potent source of iodine, it helps regulate metabolism and thyroid hormones. If you guys don't know about hormone imbalance and stuff like that, then definitely do your own. You figure it out. I don't know. Immune system boost, contains compounds like iron and zinc. Gut health, good for me. Acts as a prebiotic, containing fiber that promotes healthy gut microbiome. Healthy heart health, didn't even know that. Skin and joint health, okay. Muscle recovery, yes. Anyways, yeah, that's basically it. If I lose 1 grand, it won't hurt me. I got 10 G's now. Let's go. Triple T's got the bag. Yeah, exactly. Again, you need to break this resistance. If you don't, you're cooked. You're coming back down. So I think you played it right. I think you played it perfectly fine, man. Had to get back into Forta at 1 cent. Sold 9 cents back before the drop. Yo, David, that's funny because I sold OXT at 6 cents, and I was thinking about buying in yesterday, and then I didn't. So let's look at Forta. Dude, Forta's an oldie, man. I remember when they first listed Forta on Coinbase. Dude, me and this other guy, I forgot his name, we used to always make videos on OXT, but he deleted his his name was Alex. He deleted his YouTube, and I'm like, man, he was so good, and he always talked about precious metals. I hope he's doing good. He was like going to college, and he just graduated, and I remember he told one of his friends to buy a coin, and it went down, and he was like, yo, I'm just gonna delete my YouTube because like he's threatening to sue me. And I'm like, what? Like, what? You didn't do it. Like, a friend did that to you? That's pretty bad. It's horrible. You can't get sued for that. What? You're a big boy. You decide to put money in. It's like me. It's like my friend. It's like me telling my friend to buy UPS stock, and if it ended up going down, my friend would have been like, "Oh, I'm gonna sue you." I was like, "Yeah, go ahead, sue me, dude. Sue me." But anyway, it ended up making him good money, so it ended up working out. Very good. Very, very good. And UPS actually hit our areas. Yeah, so, David, Forta, you're buying at the lows. Obviously, you're buying some sort of bottom, or you're buying the pre-drop, the pre-capitulation. So, high risk, high reward, but I think it's leveraged pretty safe right now, given that you're establishing a bottom. Now, whatever you buy, you have resistance overhead at 240 to 600% move. You're still going to validate this downtrend. So if you're holding it, and if you're doing a triple T, you need to break this area of resistance. If you're trading it like triple T just did, then you're going to take your profits at this area of resistance, okay? Not financial advice, just my opinion. It's good for everything CMOS. I paid $233 I paid $233 for a scratch off, and I got 7Gs plus. Basically, yeah, man, good for you, dude. Good for you, man. Really good for you. Give me 1 second. I gotta see what my wife's making me for dinner. What she's making. Hey. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm so hungry. Alright, I'm almost done. And then you wanna watch your reunion? Okay. Look at Chester, he's just on his heating pad. Hi, Chester. This is cheese noodle, courtesy of the once known, very excellent Lord God. No, I'm just joking. I can't say that. Actually, I can say that. Yeah, I don't know why I can't say that, but I just don't think he's a god. But Vision Pulsed cheese noodle. You are cheese noodle because of a very famous live streamer. Okay, he was so big, and then all of a sudden he fell off the face of the planet, and he makes 8-10 minute videos that I don't watch anymore. Anyway, I'm just joking. I watch it sometimes, but it's really hard because it's not talking about Dojalon. It's not talking about Dojalon or OXT. David says, used to take CMOS capsules. It is a superfood. Yes. Yes. Anyways. Oh man, are we really going down now? Yeah, that was it. Pack your bags. Yo, Triple T for another $2. Thank you. Thank you so much. Dude, the Super Chats did very good today. I'm very happy, so that's awesome. Thank you so much for the, I guess you sent me $13, so thank you so much for the 13 beans, man. That's a lot of money. I'm happy you made $7,000, bro. Like, good for you. We'll keep looking at your coins, and, you know, I hope, it's crazy that you literally, it pumped to its all-time high on the live stream, dude. That's insane. You joined and it ended up actually pumping to the live stream, man. That's awesome. But I think, let's see. Oh, I got another super chat. I guess I have to stay on for a little bit longer. You gave me an idea. I will go play with other coins for real with a little money. Thanks. Yo! Triple T for another 5 beans, man. That is... Dude, you sent me like $20 now, I think. That's a lot of money, man. Thank you so much for the $20, man. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. And I hope whatever coins you buy, just let us know in the live stream so that we can keep our eyes on it and all root for you while the coin does another 100x overnight. So definitely let us know what you buy so we can look at it, because your streak is unbelievable. So just keep it going, and I hope you keep making money, man. I really do. David says, my arc block bag is massive. Can't lift it. Dude, arc block had such a monster move. I remember seeing this on this and Blue Zell. Do you guys remember Blue Zell? What happened with Blue Zell? It was Blue... No, it's Blue Zell. This. Yeah, whatever happened to Blue Zell? Oh, wow, it died. That's what happened. Yeah, no wonder why we don't look at this coin anymore. Yeah, this thing is dead. Yeah, so I remember seeing this on crypto.com back in the day when I first bought my Shiba Inu. And it's crazy. It's not even on crypto.com anymore. No. I guess let me check something, because it used to be on crypto.com. No, it's not. They unloaded their bag. Yeah, so basically ArcBlock was the other one that I was looking at, and dude, ArcBlock had such a big move. Yeah, so I mean, textbook, right? You actually came down and retested our area of support. So we said typically once you do break this area of support, which you did respect for a little bit before you got this capitulation, you do come down and retest macro area of support, which was between 17 and 33 cents. Now, keep in mind, you're still in a downtrend, so you can still get a bounce, even come back up to 33 cents and retest this. validating this downtrend. So you need it to break 33 cents, and then we can start taking a look at the targets on the upside. If it doesn't, then you're going to get stuck and come back down. It doesn't even have to go to 33 cents. You got a small move, and it's still bearish, unfortunately. So I hope this thing ends up recovering for you. But yeah, this was another coin that I was looking at on crypto.com, and then it got listed on Coinbase, and it did a 70x move, man. What a crazy run. Thanks, man. I'm number 42 now. Yeah, but it doesn't even matter, dude, because now you already took your money out, and you're only $1,000 exposed. So what's the worst case scenario? Your $1,000 goes back down to, I mean, it still won't even go to zero. You'll have $220. That's funny. You'll take your $223 or $33 back. Best case scenario, you come to a 618 retracement and you make $2,000. So you take out $3,000, or you take out $5,000, and that'll be a total of like $13,000. So it's not bad, man. You made a good play. You sold it, and now you put in $1,000. So that's very good play, because you're not playing with their money, and you could take that money and, just like you said, dip your toes into other coins. Blue was going crazy around about the time it got delisted. Dollar and a dream, meow. Yeah. I hope it goes back up for you. I mean, even back up to its all-time highs at 27x. I should leave it. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, you might as well leave it, because it's just $1,000. I mean, it's just $1,000, but I mean, you made $7,000, so I just don't like the fact that it is respecting this area of resistance. So it needs to break this area. It really does. If it doesn't, then you will come back down to the lows. So if you're going to be done with it, then just sell and be done with it and take your $1,000 back out. But if you're going to hold it, then like, don't even look at it, and just accept the fact, and accept the possibility, and accept your faith that it's going to go back down to zero. So you really need to determine that, like, right now, because if you think it's going to go to zero, then you need to sell. If you think you're going to get a big reversal, then just hold it. It might go back up, you know. I'm at $600 now. Yeah, also Bluezell got listed on Coinbase, and it ended up going parabolic, right? It got listed on Coinbase here, I think. What's OXC doing? Oh, OXC is going back up. Oh, wait, never mind. Yeah, it's going back up. What about Elon? Nope, Elon is not. No, sir. Oh, wow, we are going down. 69.7. Yeah, this thing's getting down. I think we are going to call it here. We've been live for about an hour and a half now. So, Triple T, regardless on what you do, good luck. And just remember, you know, you made your money. You might have to just, like, relax. Don't look at the app, and just, you know, look at other coins, and you know, just cool off, because you made a lot of money right now. So I would just, like, kind of detach myself from that. But regardless, thank you so much for all the super chats. I think you sent me like $17 today, so that's a lot of money. So thank you so much for the super chats. Just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and this is all just for entertainment purposes and nothing more. Have a great night. I will be live again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I hope to catch everybody in tomorrow's live stream. If not, no worries. Have a great day tomorrow, and I hope to see everybody in the next live stream. Enjoy your night, enjoy your day, and see you later.